Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Crown Academy of English. Today's lesson we are looking at a word or words called anymore. 2 words, and anymore, 1 word. So watch the video and then do the exercises at the end. Anymore is a determiner. It is also an adverb. So let's look at them in more detail. So anymore as a determiner. A determiner is a word before a noun phrase. But be careful, they are not adjectives. And there are different types of determiner. We have articles, demonstratives, numbers, possessives, and quantifiers. So therefore, anymore is a type of quantifier. And a quantifier indicates the quantity of something, the amount of something, how much or how many of something. So what is the meaning of anymore? Well, it means an indefinite quantity of something. So a quantity that is not defined. Also means even the smallest quantity of something. And I'll explain this with an example. So there are 2 types of sentence that we use anymore in. So we use anymore in questions. Example, do you have any more chairs? Do you have any more chairs? So notice the determiner. This goes before the noun. Any more chairs? And so this means, do you have even the smallest quantity of something? So do you have even 1 more chair? Okay, even 1 more chair, 1 extra chair. And since it is an indefinite quantity, maybe we need 2, 3, 5, 3 million. We don't know. We haven't specified it. Okay, so we use it in questions and in negative sentences. These are the only 2 types of sentence that we use anymore in as a determiner. So an example of a negative sentence: please sit on the floor. I don't have any more chairs. I don't have any more chairs. So here we can see the negative. I don't have any more chairs. So any more goes before the noun phrase. This means I don't have any extra chairs. I don't even have 1. Okay, and it's an indefinite quantity. So I don't specify the number of chairs that I don't have. Okay, so this means, for example, I did have 5 chairs, but they are all used. They are all occupied. And now I don't have any more chairs. Okay, I'm sure you understand the meaning. So we only use it in questions and negative sentences. Anymore is not usually used in affirmative, positive sentences. So that's very important. We use it for questions, negative sentences, but not affirmative sentences. Example, this is wrong. Big mistake. Yes, I have any more chairs. No, this is wrong. For affirmative sentences, we use some more chairs. Yes, I have some more chairs. Yes, I have some extra chairs. And again, this indicates an indefinite quantity. Maybe I have 20 more chairs, 50 more chairs. We don't know. I didn't specify it. Okay, so in the affirmative, we would use some, more, and the negative and the questions, we would use any or any more. Any more in questions. So I'm giving you some more examples here. Do you want any more coffee? Do you have any more money? Does the shop have any more umbrellas? So notice that these are all questions. And here we have a countable noun, umbrella, umbrellas. So we can use any more with countable nouns. And this is an uncountable noun, money. In English, money is uncountable. And so we can also use it with an uncountable noun. Do you have any more money? Do you want any more coffee? I have already given you 2 cups of coffee. Do you want any more coffee? Do you have any more money? Because I have seen you spend £20. But do you have any more money? Okay, I see that you have bought an umbrella in the shop. I would also like an umbrella. So does the shop have any more umbrellas? Okay, are there any umbrellas left in the shop? Does the shop have any more umbrellas? So in a question, this is a determiner. Any more in negative sentences. So here are some more examples of negative sentences. I don't want any more coffee. I have already had 2 cups. Okay, so this is a negative. I don't want even 1 more cup of coffee. Okay, don't want any more coffee. I have already had 2 cups. We don't have any more hats. We sold them all yesterday. Okay. I can't buy another drink. I don't have any more money. So my wallet is empty. Any more money. Again, this is uncountable. And here, this is countable. Okay, so it's the same spelling, any more. Now, let's look at any more as an adverb. So we have finished the part explaining determiners. So you've already seen determiners. Now let's look at any more as an adverb. Any more as an adverb gives us more information about a verb. It is used in negative sentences, and it means no longer, or something that happened in the past but is not happening now in the present. Okay, so it's something that has stopped happening because it happened in the past but it is not happening now in the present. It has stopped happening. And the position of any more, when it is an adverb, the position is at the end of the sentence. Okay? And a good example, I don't play the guitar anymore. I don't play the guitar anymore. So this means I no longer play the guitar. I played the guitar in the past, but not now in the present, and probably not now in the future. So I used to play the guitar, but I don't play the guitar anymore. Okay? So let's look at some more examples. So this is a runner, an athlete. She's tired. So she's not running anymore. She's not running anymore. She was running a few minutes ago, but now she's tired and she's not running anymore. So as an adverb, it's modifying the verb run, running. So it's giving us more information about the action of running. And the more information is the fact that she's not doing it, that she's no longer running. She has stopped running. Okay? Mark doesn't drink alcohol anymore. So here the adverb anymore is modifying the verb drink, and it's telling us that he no longer does this action. Mark doesn't drink alcohol anymore. And Jane doesn't smoke anymore. Okay? So anymore, the adverb is modifying the verb smoke. So notice we often use it for when we stop a habit, when we stop a common regular action. Anymore. Very useful. So here is a sentence showing both uses of anymore. I don't want any more water because I'm not thirsty anymore. So you can see we have anymore twice in a sentence. So tell me, is this a determiner or is this an adverb? Is this a determiner or is this an adverb? Well, this is the determiner because it's immediately before the noun phrase. Okay? Notice it's a negative sentence and it's saying we don't want even a small amount of water. Okay? And I am not thirsty anymore. This is the adverb and it's modifying the verb to be here. Okay? So I'm no longer thirsty. I am no longer thirsty. I was thirsty, but not anymore. Okay? Adverb. So it's a good example because it shows the same word twice, but in terms of parts of speech, it's a different part of the language. Here it's a determiner, and here it's an adverb. So, anymore or anymore. Sometimes you will see the word anymore as just one word. See here, it's a single word, and here it is two words. So what's the difference? Well, anymore as one word, this is simply an alternative spelling of anymore as an adverb. Okay, so this is anymore, this is the adverb use. So it's only used as an adverb. It is not used as a determiner. And very important, anymore is a very common spelling in American English. So this is only really used in American English. So the Americans use this as the adverb. They don't really use this form. But British English, we use this one. Okay? So, example, Jane doesn't smoke anymore. Two separate words. This is British English. So this is anymore, this is the adverb. And the American English version is this, with one single word. Jane doesn't smoke anymore. Pronunciation is exactly the same. Anymore, anymore. Okay? So, finally, an exercise. I hope you have understood everything. So question 1, write a question with any more as a determiner. Write a negative sentence with any more as a determiner. So this one, I want you to write a negative sentence, and here I want you to write a question. Question 3a, write a negative sentence with any more, 2 words, as an adverb. And 3b is the sentence in 3a that you've written here. So your answer here, is it British English or American English? So your answer to 3a, is it British English or American English? Question 4a, write a negative sentence with any more, 1 word as an adverb. And same thing, is your answer to 4a, is it British English or American English? Okay, and tell me why. So write your answers in the comments below this video. Okay, there we are. That's the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Here are some other videos that I recommend you watch.